A short story for kids to teach the value of empathy. Begin with a smile, kids. Let's imagine a world where everyone understands each other. A place where every heart speaks the same language empathy. Now, meet two friends, Bunny and Kitty. They are different but share a common bond friendship. Bunny is always happy, while Kitty often feels sad. But does Bunny leave Kitty alone? No. Instead, Bunny tries to understand Kitty's feelings. He comforts her, listens to her, makes her feel loved. That's empathy, kids. Putting yourself in someone else's shoes, feeling their emotions. See, life's more beautiful when we empathize. So, let's spread empathy and make the world a happier place, just like Bunny and Kitty.